How to change someone role on Discord. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Discord application and go to the server directly that you own. So you have to make sure that you have the ability to change roles to the members. And to do that, you have to be the owner of the group, or you are given, for example, you're only an admin, then you're given a power to choose or to move someone's role, to change someone's role on Discord. So to do that is you go here to your server right now. It will look like this. On the upper right, you will see three dots there. Tap on the three dots and tap on settings. Now, the next thing that you have to do is scroll all the way down up until you see the user management section and tap on roles. So here you'll see the roles of the available roles on Discord now. So for example, you want to change someone's role here from Dota 2 role, then on the bottom part you will see members. Tap on members here, and all you have to do is to just remove that person, from that role. And here you have now successfully changed that person's role, and you can actually add, and let's say you want to add that person to this role, Apex role, then tap on add members and add that person. On the upper right, you see add, tap on add. And as you can see, you have now successfully changed that someone's role on Discord. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.